The power of evident arguments, engaging your reader. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of essay writing, specifically for GMAT and GRE. Have you ever wondered why some essays are more persuasive than others? One crucial factor is the strength and clarity of supporting arguments. Let's uncover how well-supported arguments can impact your reader. Remember, when you stand strong with evidence, your reader is more likely to stand with you. Every essay presents an argument or a claim. However, a mere statement won't convince your reader. It's the evidence and reasoning that make your argument persuasive. Think of your main argument as the foundation of a building. The supporting arguments are the pillars. Without strong pillars, the building won't stand. Imagine reading an essay that simply states opinions without giving any reasons. How would you feel? Probably skeptical. Unsupported claims leave readers unconvinced and doubtful. Trust in the writer diminishes. It's like listening to a friend who tells a story without providing any details. You'd likely question the authenticity. When you present robust evidence, you appeal to the logical side of your reader's mind. The reader perceives the argument as credible and trustworthy. Moreover, well-supported arguments evoke emotions. They can inspire, motivate, or even challenge readers to think differently. Engaging both the logic and emotions of your reader makes your essay powerful and memorable. 1. Statistics and data. Hard numbers can be very persuasive. They provide concrete evidence for your claims. 2. Expert quotations. When someone with authority in a field backs up your statement, it lends weight to your argument. 3. Real-life examples. Stories and anecdotes help the reader relate and see the practical implications of your argument. 4. Logical reasoning. Even if you don't have data or quotes, logically progressing from one point to another can solidify your claim. And there we have it. Supporting your arguments isn't just a fancy way of writing essays. It's a means to connect deeply with your reader, to gain their trust, and to make your voice heard. As you prepare for your GMAT or GRE essay, remember the power of evidence. Stay curious, and keep practicing. Until next time, happy writing, and remember, a claim without support is just a whisper in the wind.